Know that you have like someone dependable, right? Like having a million customers, like that's like you can't disappear. You're locked in. I built this house in 2006, and when I built it, I was trying to be as environmentally conscious as possible, which led me down the road of solar. I bought a system and I felt like it was like I owned it, it was mine, I had to take care of it, it was all this responsibility, right? But I have no clue about solar. To have Sunrun come along and be like, no, that's on us. We take all that responsibility. The idea that I get to use the energy and know that you guys are monitoring and taking care of it and just making sure it's running smooth, like that's best case scenario. Going solar can have a big impact, but it's also simple. That's why I went with Sunrun.